Welcome back to Making Power, where we figure out how to code effects in the Origins creator. Today we will be adding extra inventory to your character, similar to how you can equip a donkey with a chest. So let's outline what exactly we need this power to do. To start, we need to get the extra inventory slot set up. Then it's all about equipping a chest, and finally how we can take off that chest. Let's start with a new power file called inventory, using the power of the same name. This allows you to open an extra inventory space with a key, the default of which is G. Also, you can give the inventory a new name. This will change the name at the top of the inventory, much the same as renaming a chest in an anvil. You can also choose the type of container. Bear in mind that all this controls is the size of the space. We will also make sure that the drop on death is enabled, that way players can't hide diamonds for safekeeping. Now we can work on what will enable this power, equipping a chest. In Minecraft, there are commands to replace specific item slots in your inventory. However, only the head slot can have a chest placed on it, and it looks a little goofy, so we are going to have to get a little creative here. Create a file called add. We will choose the power active self, which enables abilities based on just pressing a button. In this case, we'll use the key with the name key.use. This stands for the right-click function, i.e., this power will work when you right-click, given the conditions we'll specify later. In this case, you'll need two actions. First, an equipped item action, which will consume one item in our hand. The second will be an executed command. The command we will use is /item replace entity at s armor.chest with Minecraft leather chestplate, open curly brackets, tag. You get the idea. Make sure you copy everything after the first curly bracket, as we will need it for the next steps. You can find this command in the description for ease of copying. Scroll back to the top, and now we will add the conditions for this file. We will need two here. First, an equipped item condition that you hold a chest in your hand, and second, another equipped item condition, this time on the chest slot, and then we will type the NBT. Without getting too far into it, NBT stands for Named Binary Tag, and is just a way to store data. Here is where you will paste the copied section of the /item command from earlier. These tags make up the NBT of the backpack, so only this item will trigger it. Make sure that this condition is set to inverted, that way the power only works when you do not have a backpack equipped. Using the same equipped item /chestplate condition on the inventory file will make it so that you can only access the inventory space when you have the backpack equipped. To clarify, this condition is not inverted in this case. We will now work on the last file this power needs. A way to prevent duplicating backpacks is the only restriction is that you do not have one in your chest slot already. Create a file called remove. This file will also have the equipped item condition that you do not have the backpack equipped, so it will only function when you take it off. Use the power type action over time with an interval of 20 to make a power that tries to run every second. In this instance, an entity action replace inventory. Set the item condition as the NBT once again, and the stack as Minecraft:chest. With this done, every second this power will try to attempt to replace the backpack with a chest, but will not run when you have a backpack equipped. I.e., when you take off the backpack, it will turn back into a chest in your inventory. With this done, the power is now fully functional. The only addition I would make is in the add file another condition, equipped item/chest, without specifying the item type. That way, you do not destroy a diamond chestplate accidentally by right-clicking with the chest in your hand. You might also add an inverted condition for sneaking, so that you can place a chest when you need to without it becoming a backpack by sneaking. In such a way that the power only works when you're standing upright. With these final touches, the power is complete, and you can store more items on your travels. Let's test out some of these effects. The file appears among the other origins, which is always a good sign, and right-clicking while holding a chest will equip the player with a backpack. The backpack is fully functional, giving you 9 slots of extra inventory space, and when removed, it turns back into a chest, regardless of where you place it. Let me know your thoughts, and if there's any other effects you'd like me to create. Anyhow, I'm done here.